Hello everyone, this is our extruder machine. Our extruder machine uses HDPE plastics and transforms it into a 3D printer filament. First, let me tell you the basic parts and functions of our machine.
The motor. This is a 12-volt wiper motor having 1.5 horsepower. Allows the shaft to rotate, which enables the plastics to be conveyed forward.
The motor controller. Through this, we can set the speed of the shaft and its rotational direction, either clockwise or counterclockwise.
The hopper, the barrel, and the screw or shaft. Firstly, the hopper is where we feed the shredded plastics and is directed to the barrel, which also houses the shaft, which is responsible for pushing the plastics forward.
Our machine mainly uses the band heater as our heating element. This is responsible for melting the plastics.
The temperature controller, where we can set the heaters to a certain temperature.
The nozzle, where the molten plastic is pushed forward to direct the plastic into its new form.
Lastly, the fans. These cool down both the motor and the hot extruded plastic.
Now, let me give you a run-through as to how our machine works.
First, connect the machine to a power source.
Second, preheat the barrel using the heaters. To do so, we must set the desired temperature. In setting the temperature, press this button. As you can see, the numbers in yellow are blinking, which indicates it's ready to be set. These arrow buttons help us input the temperature up or down.
Third, turn the motor on.
Fourth, let's feed the machine. Gradually feed the shredded plastics into the hopper.
Plastics are now slowly moving forward and melted. It would take a while for the plastics to be extruded. So, let's wait patiently until it comes out from the nozzle.
Hooray! Now we can see the filament slowly being formed.
And that's how our machine works. Thank you.